Hello and welcome to our adventure here on Symphony of the Seas. If you're new here, I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley, and this is Maisie.
We are here on Symphony of the Seas, our third Oasis class ship that we have traveled on.
Yeah.
We just got off Utopia about 2 months ago. Go back and check out that series. But we have 4 days, and we are en route to Cozumel through a hurricane.
Hurricane Raphael.
Yes. So, not sure if we're going to make it there, but we hope you stick along on our journey. And we have a giveaway as well. We're giving away a hat. We'll put a picture of it right here. All you got to do is leave a comment down below, and you can enter to win that giveaway. I think it's safe to say that coming to the Solarium Bistro, that used to be like a little tip for people to avoid the windjammer.
Yeah.
The news got out, y'all. It's important to know that the Solarium Bistro is open from 6:30 till 10:30. We squeaked in the door right at the end. So maybe that's why our food is a little cold, because we came a little late. Does it taste like a cider milk donut?
It's not bad.
Here you go, everybody. Maisie got to wash her hands because she's filthy. So every Oasis class ship, I believe, features some sort of car here in the Royal Promenade. And right here, they have a squished Volkswagen Bug. On Utopia, they had like a Lincoln or something like that. I don't know what it was. You can go back to that series to check it out. But how cool is this? We're getting ready for the Pirates show, which is going to be taking place right here in the Royal Promenade. Stick around for it. Maisie is hyped for the Anchors Away party. Can she hit the whip? That's not the whip.
Yeah.
And your ships, like your host, hoist the sails up. Aye, sir. Hoist the sails forward. Aye, sir. Hoist the sails forward. Hoist the sails forward. Let's get rocking. Aye, sir. All the dogs, all the ladies, mission up the board. Anchors away.
Alright, come on everybody, give it up for your wonderful entertainment family on board the Symphony of the Seas. Come on, make some noise for all of them doing a great job this morning. And now let's hear it for the theater cast. We have the Aqua cast, the Ice cast, your entertainment activity staff, your Adventure Ocean team, your
Maisie,
sport
what's you think, man?
team, your wonderful...
Amazing. Love the parade. She even got to hold a sword. Thank you. Thank you. She loved it. She loved pirates. She loved the baby sharks. She loved the dancing.
Yeah. Maisie, what'd you find?
Maisie, can I see that? What did you find? An orange duck. What's a duck say? Quack, quack. Good job.
I really feel like I've let our audience down because I did not make signups in time for the International Belly Flop Contest. So we're going to go to the splash pad with Maisie. She'd love the splash pad on Utopia, so I'm sure she's going to love this one too.
We are here at the Baby Splash Zone, and it is real busy. It being a sea day, of course it's busy. I'm getting splashed by Maisie right here, who's having the time of her life. They got buckets of water everywhere, a lot of areas for the kids just to kind of crawl around if they're not quite walking yet. And the water is nice and warm. So this is such a great option. It's why we love Royal Caribbean so much, because of this little area.
Why you gonna dance, baby? We're going to dinner, fashionably late.
Fashionably late because somebody, after sleeping for 12 hours, wanted to take another nap. Yeah.
She looked cute though.
She looks so cute. We're here in the main dining room for our day 2 dinner, and Daddy ordered for Maisie today, and Maisie is going to be having the chicken fingers, the macaroni and cheese, and the French fries. So a little bit of protein, a little bit of her staple, and I remember her really liking the French fries on Utopia, so that's why we decided to go with that. And as you can see, she's currently demolishing some bread, and our server was nice enough to bring along a nice little fruit cup right as we sat down. And for my dinner, I got the roasted beef tenderloin, iceberg wedge salad, and creme brulee. So we'll see how everything goes over here in the main dining room. Maisie's really enjoying this bread though.
So I kept it very simple. I ordered the French onion soup, the beef tenderloin, and the apple cobbler, and the creme brulee, just so I can try it. We didn't order Maisie a dessert, so she can eat off of the apple cobbler with the ice cream.
I don't think we're gonna be able to leave here without getting her ice cream though, so.
Yeah, we left. Did we leave last night without dessert? No, we ate dessert last night. That's where the dish came from. Yep, okay. If you know, you know.
All right, so Maisie's is here. We got our mac and cheese with the famous Kraft single on top. And then we got the chicken fingers and the fries.
French onion soup. Looks delicious.
And I got the iceberg wedge here with some bacon bits and some blue cheese. And Maisie's currently throwing all of her chicken fingers at me. Bon appetit. Here we have the beef tenderloin with mashed potatoes and asparagus. Marley said hers was a little cold, and I've been feeding Maisie, so I'm guessing mine is probably gonna be a little cold. So let's give it a try.
Dinner was okay. My steak was undercooked. Not my steak, my beef tenderloin was undercooked, and it was cold. Haven't had dessert yet, but I'm sure dessert will be good. I feel like desserts have been good. Can't really mess up dessert, right? Maisie doesn't like chicken tenders yet.
So no Raising Cane's for Maisie.
Maisie's really been enjoying the chocolate ice cream and chocolate chip cookies.
Let us know down in the chat how tan Marley is. Just make sure you give her lots of compliments on how tan she is. She worked really hard on this tan, and she is officially a bronze babe. Congratulations.
I'm tanner than you for once. Hello, it's me and Maisie, and we're waiting our turn to get on the carousel for the second time. It's day 2, and you've only rode it 1 time so far. I know. Bad parents. Bad parents.
Carousel, and then we also have the Hairspray.
Hairspray.
The musical.
Yes.
Beach better have my money. We are here at Sugar Beach, one of the staples on the Oasis class ships, where you can get all of the candies. You can get some plushies. They got fresh ice cream, and they're even selling dum-dums for the low, low price of 50 cents. So yes, everything in here is an extra cost, and we probably won't be participating, but you should know this. This is right here on the boardwalk, right next to the carousel. So do yourself a favor, go to the carousel, and then come here and get some premium ice cream. We are here at the Broadway on the Sea production of Hairspray. I don't know if it's going to be the whole Hairspray production, which is usually about 1 hour and 45 minutes long. But Marley's never seen Hairspray, and she is a hairdresser, so this can be right up her alley.
In 1960s Baltimore, dance-loving teen Tracy auditions for a spot on the Corny Collins show and wins. She becomes an overnight celebrity, a trendsetter in dance, fun, and fashion. Perhaps her new status as a teen sensation is enough to topple Corny's reigning dance queen and bring racial integration to the show. Hairspray. It was not about a hair salon, so I don't know what you got that from. Daddy was wrong. Uh-oh.
Daddy's musical theater knowledge, you know,
Yeah.
kind of ends at college, which was like 15 years ago.
Okay. Maisie was the best that she could possibly be.
It's a really good musical, though. And the stage is just like all the special effects and everything. It was a great time.
And I believe we dropped Maisie off at 10:45 or no, 11:30. Oh my God.
Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. We're trying to put Maisie through college here with our YouTube. So if you don't hit that subscribe button, that means you don't want Maisie to go to college. And we don't think that way of you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button.